Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so changing the lock screen is quick and safe. Make sure the device is unlocked and has enough battery. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to save time. You're looking for lock screen, security, or personalization. Different manufacturers label it differently. This step matters because the option we need is nested in those menus. Keep your attention on exact menu names so you don't skip to wallpaper or display by mistake. Once in lock screen settings, find owner info or contact info and tap to edit. Some phones hide it under advanced. You'll type the name you want displayed. Keep it concise because many phones have character limits, usually around 30 to 40 characters. Then pick visibility. Always show when locked or never. Make sure to select the locked option if you want it visible without unlocking. This choice controls privacy versus recoverability. So consider whether you want an email or just a first. Save your changes and immediately lock the phone to confirm the name appears on the lock screen. You want to verify it before relying on it. If the name doesn't show, make sure your screen security type allows owner info. Some biometric or corporate policies hide it, and check that lock screen notifications are enabled. If the menu or option is missing, restart the device and, if necessary, clear the Settings app cache. These steps often restore hidden settings and resolve permission quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.